In today's video, I will share you 50 best free fonts that you can download and use for your projects. Let's get it started. Montserrat, a modern sans serif font. Lato, a sans serif typeface family. Roboto, a neo-grotesque sans serif font. Open Sans, a humanist sans serif font designed for legibility. Oswald, a reworking of the classic Gothic typeface. Railway, an elegant sans serif typeface for headings. Merriweather, a serif font designed for readability on screens. Poppins, a geometric sans serif font. Playfair Display, a classic serif type for an elegant style. Noto Sans, a sans serif font designed for multiple languages. Source Sans Pro, Adobe's first open-source typeface family. Ubuntu, a modern humanist font. Quicksand, a rounded sans serif font. Bitter, a contemporary serif font. Cabin, a humanist sans serif with a slightly modern touch. Allegreia, a dynamic serif typeface for literature. Libra Baskerville, a classic serif font designed for web use. Dancing Script, a lively cursive font. Nunito, a balanced sans serif font. Coda, a sans serif with a rounded aesthetic. Carla, a grotesque sans serif font with a warm feeling. Varela Round, a rounded and friendly sans serif font. Newly, a minimalist sans serif typeface. New Ave, a cheerful and flowing sans serif font. Arimo, a modern sans serif font from Google. Bieber's New, a bold sans serif font, great for headlines. Cormorant Garamond, a stylized serif typeface inspired by Garamond. Titilium Web, a modern and versatile sans serif font. Inconsolata, a monospaced sans serif font for code. Sen, a modern typeface family with a clean look. Archivo Narrow, a sans serif designed for high performance. Laura, a well-balanced serif typeface. Righteous, a geometric sans serif with a retro touch. Fiala One, a sans serif designed for headlines. Roper Sans, a clean sans serif with a friendly tone. Hanalei, a tropical-themed display font. Zilla Slab, a modern slab serif typeface. PT Sans, a versatile and readable sans serif font. Exo 2, a contemporary geometric sans serif font. Tico, a sans serif font designed for headlines. Satisfy, a cursive font with a lively feel. Tangerine, a brush script font. Overpass, a sans serif typeface inspired by Highway Gothic. Great Vibes, a cursive font with elegant strokes. Anton, a sans serif family created for high-impact headlines. Lobster, a bold script font with a playful style. Psychosis, often associated with Stark. Focahosan, serif typeface that combines elegance with readability. Nexa, a geometric sans serif font. These fonts can typically be found on platforms like Google Fonts, Adobe Fonts, or various open-source font repositories. Make sure to check the licensing agreements for each font to ensure they meet your needs.